Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I'm continuing on with another quick little video on how to decorate the journal. I'm using the Sweet Songbirds set, and I'm just going to put the branch and some leaves and one of the birds down at the bottom here. So I'll just get started. I'm using the pecan pie for the branch, and I'm just going to pop this down at the bottom like that. Go. And then I'm using Granny Apple Green for the leaves. I wanted something really nice and bright. Sorry, I had to, now because I put my finger in the ink, which is what usually happens. Anybody who's watched any of my videos knows that I regularly put my finger in the ink. So we're going to do the Granny Apple Green for the leaves and just pop those down like that. So we've got some leaves. And most of this video is going to be me opening and closing ink pads. We're using Boho Blue for the bird, little blue bird of happiness. So I'm going to ink the little birdie up, and I'm just putting it just a little bit up from the branch because I want to put the little feet down. So there we go. There's our little blue bird. All right, what are we doing next? I need basic gray for a whole bunch of things here, so let's do that next. Now, I haven't stamped with this before. I'm going to get into the frame here because I need to be able to line this up. There we go. So then I need eyes for my little bluebird. So just pop those down like that. And then I need the feet, which go just like that. And then what's this? Oh, some musical notes because the bird is singing. So we're just going to pop some of those around like that and like that. So if you've got something that you're happy about that you want to sing about, this is a great way to decorate the page. I do love these birds. I don't use the Sweet Songbirds very often, but I do really, really like this set. There, I've just put the beak in, and this is in Daffodil Delight, and I'm just going to do it again because I missed. There we go. All right, and I want a couple of little flowers. This is going to be a flowering tree branch. So I've got some Melon Mambo, and I'm just going to ink that up and pop a flower down like that, one down like that. And that, I think, is all I'm going to do. So that is a really quick little decoration using a whole bunch of different ink pads, but using the Sweet Songbird set to decorate your page. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll do another video on the journal.